Are you looking for a natural way to achieve optimal health? Look no further. Introducing Thisilyn, the ultimate solution to unlock nature's secret for a healthier you. Thisilyn is a powerful herbal supplement made from artichoke extract, prized for its amazing benefits. Packed with antioxidants and vitamins, Thisilyn supports your liver and digestive system, promoting detoxification and cleansing. When taken daily, Thisilyn works to restore and maintain liver function, improving digestion and boosting your overall well-being. Say goodbye to sluggishness and welcome vitality into your life. Thisilyn helps increase energy levels, allowing you to tackle your day with renewed vigor. But that's not all Thisilyn can do. It also aids in improving gallbladder health, supporting proper bile flow, and enhancing the absorption of essential nutrients. If you struggle with occasional digestive discomfort, Thisilyn acts as a natural remedy, easing symptoms such as bloating and gas. Unlock the power of nature with Thisilyn and experience the incredible benefits it has to offer for your optimal health. Invest in your well-being and embrace the wonders of Thisilyn. Start your journey towards a healthier life today. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more amazing content on our channel.